Jesus, this place stinks.
David, you're gonna crash my PS4, dude. It's too many birds.
Looks like we came for nothing. Our man's gone.
Do they ever stop taking off? Oh, classic fridge scene. Suspect doesn't eat. This looks like Austin's fridge. It's a great question. If he doesn't eat, why does he have a fridge? Fair enough. Probably came with the apartment, I guess. Urban farm poster. Fields in the heart of the city. Fruits and gettable in town. That sounds good. Ah, it's covering something.
I need some fresh air.
Ventilate. It's gonna lead us to Jericho. Please tell me there's no more segments where we have to go through the graffiti with Connor. I beg you. It's House of Leaves.
Found something?
I don't know. It looks like a notebook,
Wait.
but it's indecipherable.
Get the birds out of here, man. So you open up every drawer, there's birds in them. It's one way to give someone characterization, I suppose.